So listen guys. My next game is what we called... Okay, ito na lang.
Maxi.
Boys, dito tayo. Okay? Ate. My next game is what we call the pick-up straw. Okay? So listen guys, I will scatter all this straw and then you pick as many as possible. Okay? Okay? You need to pick as many as possible. Then I will choose 2 winners with the highest collect the straw. Okay, ready guys? Okay, down your hands. Okay, ready? Go! Come on. Pick. Come on, pick. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Alright. Come on, guys. Come on. Pick. Come on, pick. Half time's up, guys. So, stand up. And then count your straw, okay? So, I will choose... Are 3 winners. 3 winners tayo, okay? So, 3 winners. Count your straw. How many your straw? 3. Muwahay na correct. Palakpakan naman natin si Gian. Okay, your prize. Take your prize, okay? So, ang title niyan ay Moana. Very good. Okay. Oh, what's the title? Anong title niya? Ha? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, sorry. Okay. Wait. Up, come here. RG. 4, ma'am. Tali ko kayo. Sige. O, 2 pa. Ayan. Isa pa.
Yummy.
Bali. Kulang pa po ng 2. Okay na po, girls and boys. Ang game natin for the adult, ang tawag po dito, very easy lang po. So, ang tawag dito ay garter relay. Okay, so meron tayong garter dito. When I say go, ang gagawin nyo lang po sa garter, isos nyo lang po yung garter. Okay, bababa po yan. And then, you need to pass to your next person, okay? So, kailangan nyo pong ipasa yan hanggang sa matapos po sa dulo. Okay? Yan. So, ready guys? So, ready? Pass po yung ating garter. Okay? When I say go, kailangan nyo po isuot yung ating garter. Mabilis po, ha? Hanggang sa matapos po. Ganun din ang gagawin yung nakasunod po, ha? Okay, ready?
Go, Daddy.
Garter. Race. Go! Come on, guys. Come on. Pass it. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Ah! Alright. So, nauna ang ating team, girls. So, dahil dyan, nakalimutan ko sabihin, practice pa lang po yung practice. Go! Come on. Pass it. Come on. So, nauna ang ating team. Boys, palakpakan natin yung team, boys. At nakalimutan ko sabihin, race to 3 po yan. Race to 3. Ikas pa kayo, para umabol na ako. So, thank you so much sa ating team, boys. Yung prize nyo po, get your prize po. Lapit lang po yun sa ating, sa ating mga guwapo, ating mga gandang mga ate, kuya. Okay, ganito ha. Okay. Oh, nagre-request. Narinig ako, isa-isa daw. Isa-isa. Oh, sir. Sir, ano pong pangalan niyo, sir? Ari, si Sir Ari. Palakpakan natin si Sir. Sir Jim, taga-support, Sir Bagor. Okay, palakpakan natin si Daddy Jim. Okay, ready? Daddy, go. Kapakadali, dali ka. Okay, ready, sir? Ano na kayo, sir? Up.
Ito nga daddy yung hawilan.
Up. Alright. Okay, palakpakan niya si sir. Okay, sir. Ano yan? Sir. Alam niyo, sir? Sir.
What you are about to see will mystify you, amaze you, and take your mind on a journey into a world you never thought possible. Please be prepared. You will journey into a world of magic, a world of mystery, suspense, and illusion.
Okay, what color? How about this? What color? Yellow. Watch. This one, what color? Blue. What color? This one. Yellow. All of you say magic. Hey, magic. Magic. watch, guys. What color? What color? Color? White. Okay, watch. Okay. Okay. So, add water. Okay, watch. Bigyan natin ng water. Okay. Then, magic dust.
Gian, Gian, sit down lang, sit down, sit
Okay,
down.
watch.
Noodles.
Okay. More water. Okay. Okay, all of you say ah. Okay, watch. Wow! Luto na, luto na. O, kainan. Opo na. Stop. Sit down, sit down, sit down. You want more? You want more? Pero man. Color, color. And how about this? Red. Okay, watch, guys. Watch. Up. Watch and watch. Up. Wow. Okay, what color? And red. Okay, watch. Say magic. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Okay, watch. Wow! Watch! Wow! Okay, sit down guys, sit down, babaward guys, babaward. Wow! Say magic! Wow! Okay, next magic, very dangerous. Okay, hello? Okay, say hello to it. Say hello. Hi! Hindi hi. Sabi mo hello. Hi! Hindi hi. Sabi mo, say hello. Hindi hi! Sabi mo hello. Hey, sabi mo hello.
Maxi, Maxi.
Maxi, Maxi, sit down.
Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Maxi.
Hey, okay. Say hello. Hi! Hindi hi. Sabi mo hello. Hello! Okay, sabi mo, kamusta po kayong lahat? Okay lang. Hindi. Sabi mo, hindi ikaw. Sabi mo, okay, what is your name? I forgot. Hindi ba ngalan ka? What is your name? I forgot. Ayusin mo! Okay, follow me. Where are you going? Okay, dito lang ako. Sabihin mo, my name, your name. Hindi ako! Ikaw!
Maxi!
Yung-joke mo ako eh.
Sit
Ikaw
down
din.
lang.
Okay, ayusin
Sit
mo
down.
ha. Sabihin mo, my name, is Coco. Ang kangit? Hindi!
Pangit.
Your name is Coco. Say,
Martin.
my name is Coco. Ikaw si Coco? Ikaw si Coco. Ginujoke mo ko eh. Ikaw din. Ayusin mo. Sabihin mo, my name is Coco. Coco. Sabihin mo, my name is Coco. My name is Coco. Very good. Very good. Okay? Ayusin mo. O, ilang taong ka na? How old are you? I am 8 years old. Wow, 8 years old. What do you want to be when you grow up? 9 years old. Ayusin mo. Your age is 8 years old. And what do you want to be when you grow up? 9 years old. No! I said, what do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a soldier. Wow, soldier. What's the Tagalog of soldier? Ha? Kantado. Ano kantado? Kantado. Sundalo yun. Sabihin mo, sundalo. Kantado. Ayos. Sabihin mo, sundalo. Kantado. Ayusin mo. Sabihin mo, sundalo. Sundalo. Kantado. Dinadjok mo ako eh. Ikaw din. Okay. So, nag-i-school ka na? Sacring. O, nag-i-school na ba kayo, kids? Galing ah. Sino magaling sa math? Raise your hands. Ang dami. Dani! I love you! Sino magaling sa English? Raise your hands. Ikaw learn? Okay. Sino magaling sa science? Raise your hands. Okay, very good. Okay? So, ready, ha? Tatanungin kita sa math. Ngat. Okay. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 16, 32. What is your name? 64. Ayusin mo. Ayusin mo. Okay, spelling. Sino magaling sa spelling? Raise your hands. Okay, please. Spell dog. Okay, ready? Spell dog. Okay, D-O-G. Okay, Kuya Coco. Spell dog. A-S-O, aso. Oh, joke mo ako. Okay, spell monkey. Ikaw, monkey. Oh! Ayusin mo. Okay. Alam mo ba kung nasan tayo? Dati, nandito tayo dati. Nandito tayo sa Enchanted Kingdom. Enchanted. Dito tayo sa ano? Nasaan pa tayo? Nasaan pa tayo? Nandito sa Gertie. Gertie ba to? Hindi Gertie to. Okay, sige, kakantahan mo sila. Sige. O sige, kantahan mo sila ng Christmas song. Christmas song! Alam ko yan! O sige, 1, 2, 3, sing. Happy birthday to you. Ay, hindi ganun. Ganun ba yun? Hindi ganun yun. Ayusin mo. Dapat Christmas song. Diba? Okay, ready? Ready! Okay, ganito ha. We wish you a Merry Christmas in the Happy Birthday. Okay, sige. Awag na tayo magkanta. Magpapapicture na lang tayo kasama yung mga kids natin. Okay, kids? Yung mga girls muna. Girls only muna and then picture tayo, kids. Okay? Girls muna, girls. Girls muna, girls. Girls muna.
Ojan!
Okay, di ba ang galing? Lahat may upuan, no? So, since wala tayong illuminate, pwede pakitingnan sa ilalim ng silya. Pwede pa ganon. Kaya galing din sa website. Common classroom objects. Yung mga nakikita sa classroom. So, bawat isa sa inyo tatanungin, dapat walang mauulit na object. Okay, let's start. Sino mag, 5 seconds. Okay. Okay, sige. Let's start with number 1. Okay, ano ang magbigay ng common classroom objects yung nakikita sa classroom, no?
Blackboard.
Okay.
Chair.
Chair.
Up. Binigay niya na.
Chok.
Number 3 out. Out po.
Table.
Alphabets.
Anong alphabet?
Mga katingin po na alphabets.
Wala siya sa listahan eh. So, out.
Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. Fan. Electric fan.
Wala rin po. Out.
Teacher's desk.
Okay.
Eraser.
Okay. Yan. So, may dalawang nawala. Ito, hindi pakilala sa PTC.
From Kumaya. Alati. Bongga. 100%.
Si Sir, number 5. 10.
Hi, I'm Alvin Montemayor from Comaya. And seafarers, 19 years.
Wow!
Oiler.
Mas paldo to, 19 years. So, thank you, no? Ngayon, ito yung natin. Bali, merong 2